first car we visited is the 1964 Dodge Polara 500, priced cheaply at only $4,300. It uses a 318 engine. It's a convertible car. The convertible mechanism works well, needs a new roof. The engine runs well, perfect mechanics. An interesting project ready to cruise smoothly. The second car is a 1953 Victoria two-door hardtop, priced at $3,000. Powered by a flathead V8 engine and a 3-speed column transmission with overdrive. The engine can turn and start, but does not run in its current condition. The car is complete and unmodified. It has a beautiful patina and still seems to have its original paint. The next car is a 1964 Pontiac LeMans convertible, priced at only $3,000, in very good condition. The engine and transmission work well and the roof is in good condition. This car is 99% original and complete. However, the frame is rusty at the control arm mounting points. It's a very rare car. The car body is very solid, and the frame and other components are the same as the Malibu, Chevelle, Skylark, and El Camino. Number 4, a 1949 Studebaker priced at $4,000, inherited from grandparents and finally purchased another vehicle from their estate and more interested in restoring that one. This car comes with a Fulton visor. The owner knows very little about this car and will not restore it. It can be taken home and the car has complete paperwork. Next is the 1950 Chevrolet Tin Wagon, priced at $3,800. Or best offer for us, seize the opportunity to own this car, which has a fairly good frame with the original straight-six engine and many other good parts. This car will be a great rat rod project, a good project car, or a parts donor car. Its last owner ran it about 3 years ago, but now it needs help to get running again. If interested, check the description of this video. This is a 1970 Plymouth Sport Fury, priced at $1,400. Plymouth Sport Fury in rolling chassis condition, last registered in Sask in the 90s, with green color and white vinyl roof. Equipped with the original 383 auto engine, power disc brakes, hideaway headlights, and 834 rear axle. Number 7 is the 1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88, priced at $2,500. In fairly good condition for its year, but not functional because some engine parts are missing and need repair. This vehicle is a great project for anyone interested in classic car restoration. Feel free to come and see if interested. Number 8, the 1984 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $2,400. The owner only briefly explains in the description, its points are in very good condition with low mileage, and for sale as is. Good sir. The ninth car, the 1964 AMC Rambler, is priced at only $700. Straight six. The engine is stopped, needs new brakes and seats. The driver's side rear window is missing. This vehicle is too good to be scrapped. Interested in trading for a quad or trail bike, not accepting used items. Next is the 1967 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at only $2,500. I'm a little skeptical about this price. What do you guys think about this car? Is that the right price for the car? If interested, it's better for you to come with the police to be safe for this purchase. And there's not much description of it either. Okay, moving on. The 1968 Pontiac Catalina two-door fastback, priced at $1,400. Big block Pontiac 400 with a two-barrel carburetor. The engine can be started with a battery, but has not been tried to start this year, but should not require much effort. Very rusty, but suitable for parts or ambitious restoration for the right person. There are ownership documents and keys. Negotiable. The owner does not know the condition of the underside of the vehicle because it has not been moved from this place for some time. Number 12. We find the 1974 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $3,200. Runs and drives well, but needs repair on the fuel gauge and exhaust. Tires and brakes in good condition. Has 31,000 original miles with original paint. There are 2 dents on the passenger side that you can see in the picture. Okay guys, the 1975 Dodge Dart, priced at $1,800, powered by a V8 with a 318 engine and a 904 transmission. Needs a new radiator because the current one leaks, as well as torsion bars. Has not been tried to start loudly, but should be able to start fairly easily and be a cool car to cruise around on Sundays. Originally wanted to fix it, but didn't, and the owner chose to sell it. This is a 1960s Beetle that needs to be restored, priced at $475. Has a 1600cc engine and Monza exhaust system. Although the rear seats need to be replaced, this vehicle is an interesting project for classic car restoration enthusiasts. End of our story today is the 1973 Mercury Cougar, priced at $800. Equipped with a 351 Windsor engine and FMX automatic transmission. Although this car is quite rusty, it is still complete. White interior. Includes $200 worth of new parts for ignition system and tune-up. This car is a former Alberta vehicle with an old registration. Has not been tried to start. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Purchases are in the description of this video.